Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and in this video we are going to learn how to make Google Chrome more secure so that you can keep all your data always safe and your computer remains protected from virus, malware and hacking. And all the steps are very easy and simple but you don't know about. So watch this whole video and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So open your Google Chrome browser, then go to right top corner and click on these three dots, then click on settings. And on this settings page, now you have to click on privacy and security and then you have to click on security and this kind of interface will open. On this page, you will find this setting called safe browsing. Inside safe browsing, you will find these three options like enhanced protection, standard protection and no protection. If it is set on standard and no protection, simply you have to set on enhanced protection. If you go through this description, you will come to know how important this setting is for you. Real-time, proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads and extensions that's based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So always you have to set on enhanced protection. After doing this, now you have to scroll down and then go to advanced section. In this section, you will find this setting called Use Secure DNS. If this setting is disabled, simply you have to enable this setting and then you have to select DNS provider. Click on this drop down menu and here you will find many providers like OpenDNS, Google DNS, Cloudflare. I would recommend you to select Google DNS or Cloudflare. Anyone you can select, right? After doing this, now you have to go back to this page and here you have to click on add privacy and then you have to click on site suggested ads. If this setting is on, means if this setting is enabled, websites will show you ads. And you know, all ads are not always safe. Some ads has virus and malware which can destroy your computer. So it's better to keep this setting disabled. Once you have disabled this setting, then go to left bottom and click on extensions. And here you have to check if you find any unknown, unwanted or unused extension here, simply you have to remove those extensions from your Chrome browser. Because if there is any unknown, unwanted or unused extension here, it will use your resources. And some extensions are very harmful and dangerous. So better you remove all unwanted extensions from here. After doing this, go back to this settings page and then go to bottom of this page and here you will find this option called About Chrome. Once you click on About Chrome, it will automatically start checking for updates. If there is any update available, it will start updating automatically. Once it is done, you will find this message, Chrome is up to date. And after that, simply you have to close your Chrome browser, then reopen it. And after doing all these settings, your Chrome browser will be more secure than earlier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.